Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a personalized welcome message to your website. So this is what the website looks like at the moment. So the goal here is that when someone first visits the website, we want there to be a prompt where it will ask the user for their name. Once they enter their name, it will then say, rather than saying hello world, it will say hello world followed by the name of the person who entered their name. The first thing we want to do is go into our index.html file, and I'm going to add a button. So the button eventually, when I program it, will enable a user to change the name that is displayed on the welcome greeting. So if you scroll down to the bottom of your HTML file, just before the script tag, here, after the paragraph tag, if you just enter a button, the reason the script has to be at the bottom is to enable all the other content to load before any script is executed, so that there is no interference. So here I'm just going to tab and create a button. The way you create a button, you do a less than sign, type in button and a greater than sign, and then just type in the text you want to show in the button. I'll just say change name. Alright, so that will be what will appear on the button, and then you save that, click save. You can see it has appeared here. With this live preview, any changes you make, if it's HTML and CSS, it appears instantly, but if it's JavaScript, you'll have to save it first before it reflects on the page. I have added some more JavaScript code. I started by modifying line 1 of the code. The global comment, I have included inside the global comment a window object and a local storage API reference, so they will be available anywhere in the JavaScript file. Without including them in the global statement above the document, it will not be available throughout the file. It will create errors. The window inside the global comment on line 1 basically refers to a window object. All web browsers support the window object. The window object represents the browser's window, and all global JavaScript objects, functions, and variables automatically becomes members of the window object. I've also added the local storage. Local storage allows you to save